I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of REDnote. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about REDnote and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. You will search about REDnote. If you find update here, then you can click to update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.